Hi, you can see a WordPress interface here, and I am going to upload a new theme. When I click the install now, I'm receiving this message, and if you will also receive this message, then you have to listen the rest of video. I'm going to solve this issue. Just click the upload max file size text here and go to your WAMP server. Here you will find a PHP my.php.ini file. php.ini file. Click this file, Control F, find, then paste the text. Here you will find that the maximum file size is 2 MB. Just change it into 64 MB. Move your cursor to the start of this document and Control F, post, and type post underscore max. When you will click the find next, you will find an entry here 8 MB. Change it to 32 M. Now the job done. Save it. Now just refresh this. Back. Upload the theme. This file, and then click the install now. If you are facing the same problem again, then click the WAMP server and reset all services. It is reset now, and then again open the browser, localhost, WordPress, and wp-admin. Put the username and password here. Login. Now you can upload the theme and then click the install. Now theme has successfully installed. Just activate the theme. The job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next